Hare Krishna. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ravi Sharma, and I'm here once again on my YouTube channel, English with Ravi Sharma. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to everyone who has supported my YouTube channel by subscribing, liking, viewing, or commenting on it. I will always remain indebted and grateful to you for your outstanding and stupendous response. I was completely surprised when I saw the growth of my YouTube channel. It has crossed more than 2000 views and it has also crossed 300 subscribers. I believe that it is a great achievement for a person like me who is doing something new on this platform YouTube. But at the same time, it has also doubled my responsibility that I will have to come up with better videos in future. So I would like to assure you that in future, I will be coming up with better videos. I will be making the videos of vocabulary where I will be teaching you synonyms, antonyms, one-word substitutions, idioms and phrases, homonyms, analogy, and such other types of vocab. I will also be making videos for campus recruitment test where students can prepare for campus placement test. By preparing for that, they can also appear in the examination of Infosys, TCS and various companies, various multinational companies. And second thing is that as we all know that today we are celebrating Diwali, so I would like to wish you a very happy, safe, sound, prosperous and joyous Diwali. May this Diwali bring a lot of happiness in your life. May this Diwali remove all obstacles, all hurdles, all darkness from your life, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Especially, I would like to wish all my dear students a very happy and safe Diwali, and I wish that they will be able to make their dream come true in upcoming future, and they can achieve whatever they want to achieve in their future. They can do something special in their life. They can do something out of the box in their life. I wish all the success to them. And at last, I would like to tell you one Hindi शायरी है अगर जिंदगी तो जिंदगी में जश्न होना चाहिए, है अगर जिंदगी तो जिंदगी में जश्न होना चाहिए, खुशियां बन जाए राधा और मन कृष्ण होना चाहिए. With this line, I wish you all the best, good luck, wish you a very happy and safe Diwali. Thank you very much.